our advisor, our teacher, our mentor, and our hero.
Tay, happy birthday. We are very lucky that we have you. Tay, salamat gid sa tanan-tanan.
I was astray, you showed me the way.
Hindi lang sang ka maestro, kundi mabuot, supportive, ka mapinalanggaan nga tatay.
I still recall the times I've been through.
Kagrudyan ikaw permi sa ingad namon in times of hardships and when we are facing problems. Wala mo gid kami ginapabayan. Ikaw ang amang inspirasyon, tatay.
Me home, you made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again.
Tay, duro gid ni salamat. Daaro man an mo nga palangga ka gid namon. Duro-duro imo natudlo ka namon para maging mayad kami nga ehemplo sa mga kapwa namong estudyante. Salamat gid kag happy birthday.
You came along, you took me home and made me your own.
You are not only our teacher or an advisor, but also a friend, a father, our everything. With all of our hearts, we would like to greet you a masayang birthday. We love you. Palangga kawid naman, tatay.
Went wrong, you made them right. You've made my days so bright. You made me live again.
You are not only our teacher or an advisor, but also a friend.
An only broken heart. Then you came.
You are not only our teacher or an advisor, but also a friend, a father. Sige. Pagpapala mo bala ka daw lang.
Kamay-kamay! Hala naman ang broadcasting, nuwarat kulot.
Again.
Broadcasting ka?
Sige, wow. Imagine sa TV broadcasting kita. Kaya namin nagkatala siya taga-audio. Sige. You are not kaya kadlaw na mabalada